Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zulfa Angelita, a student in the Informatics Study Program, Class Informatics 3A. I will present my mission assignment for the English course, which discuss academic writing and abstract analysis. Academic writing. Academic writing is abstract and considered academic because it's writing of scientific purpose, providing a concise, providing a concise, objective, and system explanation of the research. It describes it describes the research context, method, results, and scientific contribution which are characteristic of academic writing. The the section outline three language characteristics that make abstract academic writing formal and objective. No, no as of personal opinion. Second, clear and systematic information structure. The abstract contains academic sections that have the main characteristic of an abstract, namely background, method, result, and conclusion. Third, use of scientific and research-based terminology. There are references to perform scientific method and quantitative data that show that this research is measurable and verifiable as it does not as common language. So, non-academic and academic. Non-academic and academic. Non-academic, this project uses ASP 32 cam and in the inexpressive camera module connected to Wi-Fi. The project also has transfer learning so that the robot can recognize object with transfer learning enabling the robot to learn from models that have already been trained. Academic. Image processing aims to enable the system to recognize information from image. The transfer learning method utilizes retrained models so that the object recognition process is faster. Clarify and CNN have the system avoid having to learn from threats. Difference. The main differences are in language, purpose, and style. Academic writing use formal language, while non-academic writing uses language for general research. OMRC. Background. Background section is a description prior to the research objective. Research focus on developing transfer learning and clarify for systems that support human-robot interaction. Method explain The use of CMS that describe the process involved result, explaining the quantitative result and system performance is the core of the research. Conclusion. Conclusion here summarizes the impact of research and contribution in the field of human-robot interaction. 4. True abstract. 4. Second abstract. My skill and qualification. A. Structure. The first abstract is still not very hard, with the background, technique, and objective still mixed together in one paragraph. While the second abstract is more structured in terms of background, objective, method, result, and conclusion. He proposed the first abstract of the research objective is not clearly written, while the second one states the objective directly and is easy to understand. C. Sentence. That. Coherent. Sentence. Okay. C. Sentence. The first abstract sentence look coherent, making the flow unclear while in the second abstract the sentence flow smoothly from beginning to the end. The presentation. The first abstract mentioned actually without detailed explanation, while the second abstract presents more uh, complex and structured result. Language. The first abstract is incon- inconsistent and the language. The first abstract is inconsistent and the sentences are too long, while the second abstract uses more formal, consistent, and professional language. Conclusion. The second abstract is better because it is more organized, clear, and formal and objective. Formative. The previous sense was promotional in nature because it was not supported by data, whereas after revision it is more objective because it's based on research results. The sense, this research opened up new possibilities in auto, automating, automation. The sense this research opened up new possibilities in automation and human-robot interaction through the interaction of advanced technology is promotion and has been tried to a more objective academic sense, namely the result demonstrate the, that the embedded system can contribute to automation and human-robot interaction by utilizing transfer learning for object recognition recognition on the ASP to can perform. The aim is to profit and explain of how to avoid statements that are not support each other. 6. Objective and ilmiah. Objective and ilmiah. The objective. The initial sentence was speculative, whereas after revision it became more objective because it was based on research results. 6. Abstract. Aksara Nusa AI began decline in the use of regional language and limit learning media. Objective to design the abstract the Aksara Nusa AI voice translation chatbot method using NLP, SST, and TTS technology. Results: stable translation accurately and consistent system performance. Conclusion: effective for language preservation and cross-cultural communication. In the abstract, a word which is about the Aksara Nusa AI chatbot and cultural literally I created this project with my team in the hope that for foreign tourists can learning regional language in Indonesia and support language preservation. This chatbot will be made into a mobile application and will use and integrated natural language processing (NLP), speech to text (SST), and text to speech (TTF) technology. Conclusion: my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.